Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Andre, and today I will be presenting a sociolinguistic analysis of the key concepts in bilingual communication, code mixing and code switching. These concepts are important for understanding how people alternate between language in multilingual societies. Okay, this is the table of content. The first is what is code mixing. Next is code mixing according to expert. Characteristics of code mixing, types of code mixing, what is code switching according to expert, characteristic of code switching, types of code switching. Okay, okay. The next is what is code mixing. Code mixing refers to the blending of two or more languages within a single sentence or discourse. It often happens in informal settings, especially when speakers are fluent in both languages. For instance, someone might say, "This doll is so kawaii," mixing English and Japanese. Okay, the next is code mixing according to expert. According to Homeless 2013, code mixing involves blending elements from different languages in a single utterance. And Muisken 2000 adds that it includes lexical and grammatical features from both languages. This shows that code mixing is not random but follows certain patterns. Okay. Next is characteristic of code mixing. There are several key characteristics of code mixing. Language alternation, switching language at different points in a sentence. Lexical borrowing, using words from one language in another. Syntactic integration, blending grammatical rules. And the last, contextual relevance, based on topic, audience, or setting. Okay, the next is types of code mixing. Insertion. Insertion involves placing a word of or phrase from one language into the grammatical structure of another. For example, I am craving some sushi and ramen tonight. Here, sushi and ramen are inserted into an English sentence. Okay, the next is types of code mixing. Alternation. Alternation means switching between different language structure. For instance, dia tadi telat masuk kelas, and the teacher was really upset. The sentence begins in Indonesian and ends in English. Okay, the next is types of code mixing. Congruent lexicalization. This type of code mixing occurs when two languages share similar grammatical structures, making it easier to blend them. It's common in Hindi English, a mix of Hindi and English. Okay, the next is what is code switching? Code switching is the practice of shifting between language dialects or language varieties during a conversation. It is common among bilingual or multilingual speakers and serves many social functions. And then the next is code switching according to experts. Based on our 1998 describes code switching as a discourse mode for organizing conversation and constructing meaning. And based on Chloros 2009 highlights its role in communication and social interaction. Okay, the next is code switch. Characteristic of code switching. The key features of code switching include language switching during interaction, systematic pattern, not random random usage, communicative and social functions, and the last influence how meaning is created. Okay. The next is types of code switching intersentential. This occurs between sentences. For example, I cannot wait to see you. Kapan kamu sampai di sini? This type clearly separates its language into its own sentence, and then it is really good at singing, tapi dia masih kurang percaya diri. And the last example, let me know if you need help. Aku akan selalu ada buat kamu. And then the next is types of code switching intrasentential. This switching occurs within the same sentence, such as kamu pasti tahu I like red velvet. The language mixes fluidly within one thought. And then the next is types of code switching, text switching. Text switching involves inserting short text from one language into another. For instance, you love me, benarkan, where benarkan or right is added for emphasis. Okay, I think that's it for all my presentation. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.